Babies have around 100 more bones than adults. Babies have about 300 bones at birth, with cartilage between many of them. This extra flexibility helps them pass through the birth canal and also allows for rapid growth. With age, many of the bones fuse, leaving 206 bones that make up an average adult skeleton. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer. When a substance is heated up, its particles move more and it takes up a larger volume. This is known as thermal expansion. Conversely, a drop in temperature causes it to contract again. The mercury level inside a thermometer, for example, rises and falls as the mercury's volume changes with the ambient temperature. This effect is most dramatic in gases but occurs in liquids and solids such as iron too. For this reason, large structures such as bridges are built with expansion joints which allow them some leeway to expand and contract without causing any damage. 20% of Earth's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest. Our atmosphere is made up of roughly 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, with various other gases present in small amounts. The vast majority of living organisms on Earth need oxygen to survive, converting it into carbon dioxide as they breathe. Thankfully, plants continually replenish our planet's oxygen levels through photosynthesis. During this process, carbon dioxide and water are converted into energy, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Covering 5.5 million square kilometers, the Amazon rainforest cycles a significant proportion of Earth's oxygen, absorbing large quantities of carbon dioxide at the same time. Some metals are so reactive that they explode on contact with water. There are certain metals including potassium, sodium, lithium, rubidium, and cesium that are so reactive that they oxidize or tarnish instantly when exposed to air. They can even produce explosions when dropped in water. All elements strive to be chemically stable, in other words, to have a full outer electron shell. To achieve this, metals tend to shed electrons. The alkali metals have only one electron on their outer shell, making them ultra keen to pass on these unwanted passengers to another element via bonding. As a result, they form compounds with other elements so readily that they don't exist independently in nature. Hawaii moves 7.5 centimeters closer to Alaska every year. The Earth's crust is split into gigantic pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are in constant motion, propelled by currents in the Earth's upper mantle. Hot, less dense rock rises before cooling and sinking, give rise to circular convection currents which act like giant conveyor belts, slowly shifting the tectonic plates above them. Hawaii sits in the middle of Pacific plates, which is slowly drifting northwest towards the North American plate back to Alaska. The plate's base is comparable to the speed at which our fingernails grow.